Hello and welcome to Candle by Candle. So today I'm going to just touch the base on what candles are, right? So I'm sure you have seen green candles and red candles, right? The candle has components. It has wicks and it has a body. So wicks are these lines extending from the body up and down, and the body is what's the box in the middle. So I'm sure you have seen candles of different time frames. You have 1 minute candles, then 5 minute candles, 15 minutes, 1 hour, 4 hour, 1 day, 1 week, 1 month. So these are different time frames, and we can select a time frame, and that will change what each candle represents. So essentially there are 1 minute candles, 5 minute candles, 15 minute, and so on. When you change this, the candles time frame change. So in Forex we are looking essentially at a graph, right? So here the y-axis is a price of something. The x-axis or the horizontal one is the time. Price goes up and down. You see the price action. So each point is a specific price at a specific given time. So if you give some time here, then the price is here right above it. So this is price, and here you have a time. And you have seen candles, green candles and red candles in this graph, right? So any chart, and this is a line chart, and any line chart can be broken into the candle form. So let's say the price starts here. Okay, it goes down and goes up and down and up, and this is T equals 0, and here it's T equals 1 hour. So I'm just considering a time frame of just 1 hour. All right, when T equals 0, we call that the opening price. So here is the open, so here is the close, here close, here is the open, and within this time limit the lowest point the price went is here, and this the highest point, and that is the high. So as you can see, when T equals 0, the price is opening and it reaches the lowest value within this time range, and then it goes to the highest point within this time range, and then when the time is over it closes. So we can represent this by a candle. So what essentially happened is the price started here and it closed here. So within 1 hour the price has gone up, and the highest point is here and the lowest point is here. So can you see what I drew here? It's a candle, right? I'm trying to color it. So this is a green candle, and the price has gone from a lower point to a higher point. Let's draw the candle once again. So this is the same candle I drew here. Okay, right. Let's draw another chart. Okay, now here I'll consider this part as the time limit. Here it's T equals 0, and here it's T equals 1 hour. And just like before, here is the open, and here we have the highest point, and here is the lowest point, and here the close. So what has happened here is the price opened and it went down, went up to the highest point within this time period, went to the lowest point within this time period here, and then closed when it hit the 1 hour mark. So the price has gone down when it opened and closed. So this is a red candle, right? And the wick here shows the highest point it went, the wick down below shows the lowest point it went, and this body shows where it started and where it closed. This green one is a bullish candle and the red one is a bearish candle, and we have to name these points. So we have the open here, the low here, the high here, the close here. On the bearish candle we can name the same. Here is the open, and here it's the high, it's the low, and here is the close. So let's say this is a 1 hour candle, then within that 1 hour the price hits this low at some point within that 1 hour, then it went to a maximum of this, the highest point, and it closed here, opened here. So that's a bullish candle. In a bearish candle the price opened here, then went to a high here, and then the lowest value it reached was here and it closed here. Alright, so now again I'll draw a chart. Here is the open and here is the close, and this is 1 hour. Let's say we need to change this into 15-minute candles. So what happens is this same thing, it changes into 4 sections, each being 15 minutes. So we have 15 minutes here, 15 minutes here, and 15 minutes here, as well as here. So here it's 0, 15, 30, 45, and 60. Now each 15 minute can be now represented by another candle, right? So here this is the open, close is here, and the body is complete here, and we have a high here and a low, and the next one is, now this is a bullish candle and the next one is a bearish candle, right? So it opened here and it closed here. So this small peak here, that's the high, small one, and here we have a low, so that's the other candle. So the next one, here the price started here and it ended here within the 15 minutes, and the lowest price is here and the highest price is where it ended. And the next one is also another green candle, started here, closed here, and the lowest point is here and the highest point is here. So this further can be broken down into 5-minute candles. If we divide this into 3, I think you can understand. This each section can now be turned into a candle. So this is what happens in a chart. This you can further draw smaller candles, and let's say once you zoom out and put 4 1 hour candles, it becomes 4 hours, right? So in that price section, in that graph, you can draw another candle. So that's basically how candles work and how it represents the price. I hope you understood, and if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up and please do subscribe, and thank you.